Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to turn on the enhanced Google Safe Browsing here in Chrome. So let's dive right into it. First off, head up to the top right hand corner and you will see the three little dots. You can go ahead and left click on that, and in the menu that comes up, you should see the settings option here. You can select that. This is going to bring you right into the Google Chrome settings. Now over here on the left hand side, you are going to see the privacy and security option. If you select that, it's going to give you some options here in the middle. And the option we're looking for is right here. It says security, safe browsing, protection from dangerous sites, and other security settings. If you select that, you can see I currently have the standard protection turned on. There are a few different options here. There's no protection, which is not recommended. You don't want that. There's standard protection, and then we've got the enhanced protection here for faster, proactive protection against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. Warns you about password breaches, which is really cool, and requires browsing data to be sent to Google. We'll go ahead and select that. Now, if you look in here, a couple cool things that it does do for you. It predicts and warns you about dangerous events before they happen. And you can read through all this yourself, but I like this one here. It warns you if passwords are exposed in data breaches and sends URLs to safe browsing to check them. So once that's selected, you are all set and the enhanced protection in Google Chrome is turned on.